Hi guys, today we are in Mooloolaba, like actually Mooloolaba. We stayed at our friend's house last night. If you have seen the last video, we took the van in to get fixed and the guy said it's looking at about 4 o'clock that it's done, hopefully, and that it would be about $270-ish. So we have come to our apartment slash hotel to check in, and we just got here and we knew it was going to be nice because obviously we'd seen the pictures, but honestly did not think it was going to be this nice. It was just over $350 for 3 nights, which, you know, isn't too bad. Like some of the motels were like the same price as that, weren't they really? So we decided to pick this. I did get some discount on my frequent travellers genius thing on booking.com. I also have a code for that if you want to use it for £15 off your first stay. Click in my link, I think it is. And we also get £15 back off that, so that is really good if you want to use that. It helps out a bit. But I'm going to give you a bit of a room tour, or apartment tour. So here it goes. So you walk in the door and this is what you see. You've got a lounge area, you've got a table, and then you've got the kitchen. So this room is absolutely humongous, and what you would normally probably expect for how big a room is going to be in an apartment. I mean, in a hotel. It's going to be this is as big as a hotel room, this one room. Then you've got the balcony out there, which I'll come back to later, and you turn this corner, you've got like a storage cupboard, which has got the boiler and your iron and stuff. And then we have the master bedroom. I say master bedroom because we have 2 bedrooms. So here's the bed, a mirrored wardrobe, lovely, massive, huge. Out there to the balcony, fans, aircon, ensuite, bathroom. These aren't lights, they are heat lamps to dry you off. Then you come down this corridor, there's the main bathroom, and then there's a twin room. Another big wardrobe. That one there is where we were going to stay, but it was more expensive and their rooms are smaller and their pool doesn't look as nice as our pool. So back through. Alex is already making himself comfortable, watching the TV. But we'll go outside. So you've got a nice little seating area. I mean, this balcony is probably as big as a hotel room in some places. Got a little shade. The weather's awful today, it's really windy. But the balcony just keeps on going and going and going. It's ridiculous. But I'll just show you where the pool is. So it's just there, level 2. But yeah. This is our apartment tour. We're staying for 3 nights. But I've just read on the sheet that we got when we checked in that if we wanted to extend our stay, then we would get a discounted rate. So maybe we'll extend our stay. We're here till Saturday, we check out on Saturday, and we're planning on being in this area till next week. Not sure what we're doing after that. We're going to be looking for farm work. Oh, one thing I forgot to show. So we've got obviously a fridge, cooker, microwave, sink, hob, 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. But we also have a washing machine that you don't have to pay for, and a dryer. What are the other things that we have, Alex?
Got heated flooring in both bathrooms and in the hallways.
What do you think?
I think it's pretty good value.
Better than we expected?
Yeah.
Are you surprised?
Yeah.
Because I certainly am.
Show them the second.
Yes. It's a shame that we can't use it, really. Can you imagine if we were splitting it between 4 people, how cheap it would be?
I know.
We did only book a single apartment, so I'm not sure why we got a double, like 2 rooms, because I'm pretty sure it was just 1 room. But I also forgot to mention, there's a TV in the bedroom too. I'm not sure if there's one in the other room. Is there one in the other room? Let's have a look.
I don't know.
No, there's not one in this one. So we are very impressed. I forgot to mention where we're actually staying. It's called First Light in Mooloolaba, literally a street away from the beach. It's beautiful. So we got the van back. It only cost us about $185 or something like that. Could be wrong, but he said that he saved us about $90. So So that's good. Is he all working good? Alex says he's all working fine. We're just gonna get ready. Put some jeans on so it's a little bit windy, it's still cloudy. And then go and meet our friends in a pub not too far away. Where have we got it from? What's it called? Guzmani Gomez. Hi guys! So yesterday we went for a few drinks with our friends in the evening, and then we came back here and we got the Mexican food that you saw, and then literally went to bed. I started uploading the video that you will have seen, so the Great Barrier Reef video. I'll link that in the description and in the card, seeing as I've mentioned it. But we didn't do a lot, we just chilled out, and then today we got up about 10 o'clock, so we had a bit of a lie-in, and it is now 2:30, and we've not done anything all day. I've just edited a video for Friday. It's just raining like mad. It's just really wet and miserable. We've just had some but we went to Coles and we got loads of treats because it's pretty boring. So we've got some Mars ice creams. We haven't had an ice cream in so long, so we thought we'd treat ourselves to those. And then we also got some of this iced coffee, which is actually quite nice. It tastes more like chocolate milk, doesn't it, than coffee. And we got some ham, cucumber, hummus, butter, and we got a mud cake, which is pretty much a chocolate fudge cake. And we just got some bread, and then we got these, which are like Lebanese bread, but we had these in Oman from the local bakers near my auntie's house, and they were so nice, and we really liked them, didn't we? So when I saw them in the shop, I thought they'd be good for hummus, because that's what we had them with when we were in Oman, so we've just got that for lunch or dinner tomorrow night, whichever one, and then ham sandwiches and some bacon for breakfast the next 2 days. So that's all. I'm not sure what else we'll be doing, if anything, but I'll keep you updated today. We might be going round to our friends to have some drinks and barbecue. I'm not sure if I'll actually like get my camera out because it's just it's a bit cringe, isn't it, when like, no, like to get your camera out when Alex says it isn't, but to me it is. Like,
they know what you're doing.
Yeah, I know, but like they might not want to be on camera, and I go, do you want to be on camera? I just don't want to get the camera out when there's nothing exciting going on, when we're just sat there having a bev and chatting. I don't know, people don't normally do it when they go out with their friends. They don't get the camera out unless they're with like a vlogger as well. I've chosen this. It doesn't mean that everyone around me has chosen it either, does it? Do you know what I mean?
Why? You do it around me. You force me to be on it.
Yeah, but you're supportive of it, and I know you don't mind. If you didn't want to be on it and you said to me, oh, Nicole, I really don't want to be on the camera, then I wouldn't. There's a girl that I watch. She lives in that girl that lives in Japan. I just like call Charlotte or something. And she's got a husband, and he's never ever on camera ever. But yes, I'll keep you updated with whatever we decide to do. Still really hot out, like it's hot outside, but it's also raining and windy, so it's nice and warm. The aircon in here is like really cool as well, which is nice. Alex said he had the best night's sleep ever last night, but I thought the pillows were just a little bit too firm for me. I was absolutely shattered last night. We went to sleep really early. Alex was in bed like 9:15 and I came in at about 9:30. And we had a lie-in today, which was good. So I will leave this bit here and update you later.
First,
Thank you.
bacon sandwiches. Enjoy!
Here's your golden. So today Alex has gone out. Obviously I haven't been doing anything. It's still raining and miserable outside. Alex has gone bowling with our friends and I just wasn't that bothered, so I've decided to stay here and just try and get some more editing done. And then I've uploaded for the first and second day of our road trip, and I am just waiting for the magnetic island video to export so that I can get that uploaded and scheduled ready. I've written my tweets for the week and I've scheduled the top things to do in Ken's blog post as well. So hopefully I can get the magnetic island video up and uploaded today, so then that's next week completely sorted. So you'll see all those videos before you'll see this. But yeah, I've just had a productive day and just kind of making sure, well, a productive 2 days, and just kind of making sure that the next month is all planned and ready to go, so I don't have too much to worry about, because after tomorrow we have no idea really what we're doing and where we're going to be. We're still looking for farm work. Alex was looking at yesterday. Obviously I haven't been doing it because I've been trying to edit and upload. That's my top priority at the moment. We are going out for drinks on the front tonight, so everyone's going to come here for pre-drinks. But yes, that's all I've got to say. I just wanted to update you with what's going on. I just can't believe it's raining on the Sunshine Coast. So we're all ready to go out now. Got some makeup on for once, although it's a bit light for me. Now I'm so tanned. Alex is all ready, and we're just waiting for everyone to come. So we're just chilling out and waiting and stuff. We're going to the bar we went to the other day, and they've got live music on at 10. So I feel like this is going to be the most boring vlog ever because I just keep turning the camera on and talking to you. But we went out last night. We're both very hungover. I had a right killer headache when I woke up. And we've just been out to get a Nando's to try and cure our hangovers, and it worked. The Nando's aren't as good as what you get at home. Still good though, still cured our hangover a little bit. We've extended our stay here in this apartment for another 3 nights, and we're still hoping to get our farm work soon. I want to start it in March, so hopefully we'll find that soon. I think it's going to be a bit of a boring video of this. I apologise. Hi guys, I haven't really updated you a lot, but it is now, what day is it? Sunday. We've not done much really. We went round to our friends last night as well. Before we went to our friends, we went to the surf club in Mooloolaba. Is that how you say it? Mooloolaba. Yeah. And this morning we got up, we went to the shops, did some shopping, and we got a taco kit for tea. So this is it. This is like the salsa that they give you, but we just mixed it with some beans because we've got some bean and beef burgers for tea tomorrow. We've got an avocado smashed. We've got chicken, peppers and onions in the taco mix. And then obviously the soft tortillas. And it smells so good.
Let's eat.
Future me here just editing the video, and I realised that it needs an outro, so here I am. We really loved Mooloolaba and the Sunshine Coast. There's a few more videos coming in the next week or so, so watch out for them if you liked this. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you would like to do in the Sunshine Coast, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!